Guys, welcome back again ulit sa ating channel. So currently is nasa Zamboanga po ulit tayo for our second time around. So I have been here in Zamboanga already last year's November 1 when we had our Zambasul trip. So to complete our Zambasulta leg is bumalik agad ako dito ngayon class guys sa Zamboanga in less than a year pa from the first time that I have been here para pa-kompleto natin ang Zambasulta. So right now, our itinerary, ang ating magaganap sa video na ito guys is we'll be doing Sulta, Sulu Tawi-Tawi trip. So babalikan natin yung Sulu again guys, but this time is mag-overnight na tayo sa Sulu, and then we will be also doing 1 night or 2 nights in Tawi-Tawi. So yung ating first itinerary is we will proceed immediately to Tawi-Tawi. So we will just be waiting for our flight. Mamayang hapon pa siya at 1 p.m. So time check is already still 9. So maybe ang gagawin muna natin ngayon is maglibot ng konti sa downtown ng Zamboanga since malapit na naman yung airport sa downtown proper nila. So we are a group of 8 and we booked this trip through an agency. So nag-agency na kami this time guys kasi para less hassle lang. We booked it with Zane Travels PH. So we are a group of 8 pero yung ating tour is joiner siya guys. So meron pa tayong makakasamang other people from other parts of the Philippines. Sasamahan na tayo sa ating travel going to Tawi-Tawi. Currently now at KCC. Nasa KCC po kami guys kasi wala pa kaming breakfast. Oh my gosh. Tapos iiwan muna namin yung gamit dito kasi our plan is pupunta muna kami ng Pasay del Mar later. Para itour naman natin yung mga friendship natin na hindi pa nakapunta ng Zamboanga. Early as 9 a.m. class, as early as 9 a.m. is open na po ang KCC Mall of Zamboanga. After 5 years guys, nag-open na me finally again sa akong original shuttle baday of Jassy Jung. Okay, so our plan is pupunta na daw kami ng Canalar ngayon, tapos Pasay del Mar. So we will be targeting na makabalik kami dito sa KCC at around 12 noon or before 1 p.m. Time check, it's still 10 a.m. So may 2 oras tayong maglibot. Kami karon guys sa Canalar, barter area. Kasi nadoy may bibilhin sila chassis and the rest of the company. Pasukin natin yung area dito sa Canalar guys. Yung dito tayo te. Anamay. Ay, napriso siya. Oh, nagsulat. Kalate, I like this. Big penis. Like this. Dito tayo, te. Guys, so dito kami namili last time when we were here last year. So ito pa rin yung mga tinda nila. May mga ano na sila guys, so mga chocolate na. Ay, hindi pa nito. Then, of course, dito din, marami silang mga bintahan dito ng mga batik-batik na mga damit at saka malong. Dito yan sa 22B. We're done. Saglit lang kami guys kasi pupunta pa kami na Pasay del Mar. It's almost 11 a.m. na. We are now here at Fort Pilar. When we were here last year guys is closed siya because that was November 1 holiday. Walay entrance fee. Free diri guys sa museum. We're already at the airport in Zamboanga guys for our connecting to Tawi-Tawi. So 1:50 pa yung ating boarding time going to Tawi-Tawi. Tsaka guys, tinimbang nila yung maleta dito guys sa Zamboanga. Guys, we are now boarding. Bound to Tawi-Tawi. Oh my gosh. Welcome to Sanga-Sanga, Tawi-Tawi. Guys, look at that. Guys, look at the airport guys. Ganyan lang siya. Sanga-Sanga Airport. But despite ngunani lang siya, pero yung runway nila ang laki guys. Oh my gosh. Go it easy, fly so easy. So easy. So easy. Sanga-Sanga. Sanga-Sanga. Guys, look at our bags. Ito yung unloading ng mga luggages, guys. Dito na sa labas ng airport. After arrival, yes, nag-ano nito, guys. Nagpa-register may din na. Pinick up na kami ng ating agency, which is the Zane Tours Travel. After arriving here, guys, at Sanga-Sanga, is pinick up na agad kami ng tour agency. Medyo payak talaga, guys, yung airport nila dito sa Sanga-Sanga. Even yung kita nyo kanina sa video na yung luggage is talaga super duper manual. No? So I'm looking forward for more infrastructure in Tawi-Tawi. Then after here, guys, is pupunta lang kami ng accommodation. 5 minutes lang siya from here sa airport. That's it. Yan. So we are under Zane Travel and Tours. 20 daw kaming lahat. Ito na yung dormitory namin. Yung papag-stayhan for 2 nights. Yan, guys. It has 12 decks. Free water. Isa lang yung CR. After checking in, guys, so doon kami nagstay kanina sa accommodation. Sa isang room, 14 at 12 yung, may 6 decks. So, 14 lahat. So, after this is pupunta daw kami ng town sa may Bonggao. Kasi may dalawa daw kaming spot na bibisitahin. Payak na talaga dito sa ano, guys, sa Tawi-Tawi. Very traditional lahat. Guys, first stop, dito daw kami sa museum. Yun, look at the mountain, guys. Oh. Look at the mountain. So, para siyang Table Mountain sa ano, guys, sa South Africa. That is the Bad Bungaw. Besh, laban nila, Besh! Ito yung nakikita dito sa Marine Science Museum, guys. Humana ang seminar, guys. Humana ang seminar, guys. Ano yung tawi-tawi para mag-seminar lang about sperm whale. O ibang sperm ang gusto ko marinig. So, dalawang spot, guys. Yung next spot natin isa.
Spotting kami ngayon.
Next natin na spot. Ano natin sa puntahan? Kapitolyo daw, guys. Kapitolyo kasi may courtesy call tayo daw sa Kapitolyo. Guys, nasa provincial capital na kami ng Tawi-Tawi. Wow. And look at that view, guys. Yan yung makikita mo dito sa capital ng Tawi-Tawi. Oh my gosh. This is such a breathtaking view. Yan, guys. That's the view in front of the capital. See that? Pwede din siya ko dilima to sa mountain kay malang yan yung kinok makitaan gapon. Yan, and that's the capital, guys. Ska Besh, inay ko po, Besh. Si Plaridel, asa si Plaridel? si Sir Kim. Dinner at 5:40 PM. Ang aga naman.
Available na lang sila ito.
Paano yan?
Pero ang available sila yung pianggang.
Ano naman
chicken.
yun?
Same lang sila pero chicken lang saka yung
okay.
baka.
Instead na baka, chicken lang.
Okay. We're done with the dinner, guys. So right now is pabalik na kami ng hotel and that wraps up our first day here in Tawi-Tawi. Yeah, it's day 2 of our Tawi-Tawi trip, guys. So we are bound for breakfast, but may nakita kaming sort of bridge here going to our area. That's the bridge, no? Over troubled water. May troubled water talaga siya. So, pictures, perfect spot. Diyan naman. Diyan sila pa picture, Ma'am Rabo. Somewhere over there. Ayan guys. Yan nakikita nyo na fountain niya. Yan yung ano guys. Bad Bungaw naman. Bungaw Mountain. Guys, nasa Panglima, Sugala, Municipal Fishport tayo. Ayan. So every Saturday may mga nagaganap to dito na barter ng mga goods. And dito din kami magbe-breakfast. Diyan daw kami magbe-breakfast. So we'll be tasting the local delicacy of Tawi-Tawi. Same sila sa Sulu guys. So, may mga foods on the table. Tapos ano na yung kukunin mo, yun ang yung babayaran. But I think this one is free lahat niya tatay. Free kasi ang breakfast. Included na yung breakfast sa ating tour. Kaya, perfect. Okay. 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 So, lahat ng mga foods sa table pala guys is free. It's part of our complimentary breakfast. Ayan guys, meron tayong chicken satay. Just like in the Sulu, ganito din sa kanila. Ang daming sabaw. So chicken satay is just like a sinugmang manok.
Hi vlog. They're all delicious. They are new to my
Yeah, it's new.
tongue. Yeah.
We also have this at the Sulu.
What?
What can you say?
Kaya about the food?
Sa food?
Delicious.
Delicious.
Kuan kanang bago sa ako pero yummy siya.
Oh, perfect. Okay, so we're now done with the breakfast. Go, Ma'am Rab! So ito yung magiging sasakyan natin guys. Wala siyang cottage or island hopping. Arrived guys at the Panampangan Island. So from the mainland na na-fetch namin, it took 2 hours talaga siya guys para ma-reach yung Panampangan Island. Panampangan is quite far from the mainland guys. It's 2 hours exactly. One of the famous island here in Tawi-Tawi and I must visit. Do not skip this area. Yan guys, look at the shoreline sa Panampangan. And ang ganda. Tapos may sandbar doon guys. Panampangan Island is one of famous also because of its longest sandbar. One of the longest sandbar here in the Philippines. What they prepared for us. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, high blood pressure, high blood pressure. Oh my god. Included na doon sa tour package natin guys, ang lunch dito sa entirety of our tour package na kinuha. Guys, this is the Panampangan during low tide. Laki ng sandbar doon guys, oh. Yan, sandbar yan siya. Tapos doon sa kabila during low tide. Ayan. Panampangan Sandbar. There. That's Panampangan for you. We're at the Simunol Island, guys. Ito na yung Simunol, guys, our second destination sa ating island hopping. So, Simunol is a municipality here in Tawi-Tawi, guys, na kung saan yung first ever mosque is created here. Ito na yung Simunol. And guys, so after arriving here at the port sa Simunol, is pick up agad kami ng L going to the mosque kung saan doon kami itutour ng agency. That's the beauty of arranging tours, guys, with a third party. Kasi pagdating mo, i-fetch ka na lang agad-agad. I-check nyo yung mga bahay sa Simunol, guys. Very productive ang muna. Before anything else, you need to change your... Ay, thank you. Kasi masaya anak ko.
Sige.
Kasi malong na niya sa atin. Kasi wala magkasya ng ganung puti para sa factory. Supposedly, ganyan yan sa mga lalaki. Wala magkasya. And, hala, hindi ko na alam kung nasaan na si Ma'am Katyang at si Ma'am Anamay. Oh my God, Jessie! hindi kita na-recognize of your outfit.
I do look good.
Yeah, oh my gosh, ito na sa Jessie po. Gosh, ayan na guys. Wow, this is the most. Wow, sorry. Pagpapasok dito. Si Jessie at saka si Rabia. Okay guys, yan lang yung exterior ng mosque. Yan. Currently, may prayer na ongoing now. Kaya nasa labas na kami. Walang entrance dito guys. Donations lang po lahat ng mga suot na damit na pinapasuot sa inyo. After here sa Simunol is pupunta na tayo sa last island guys, which is Sangay Siapo. Yun yung island na parang Maldives like daw dito sa Tawi-Tawi. Ayan guys, so back to the port agad. So yung next island guys is malapit lang siya, nandoon lang. I think it's about 15 to 20 minutes boat ride. Sangay Siapo Beach Resort. And we have arrived at the Sangay Siapo. So according to our guide guys, this resort is owned by the government. I mean the governor of Tawi-Tawi, which is also the owner also of Mangsali in Sulu. So kaya pala may resemblance ng ng Mangsali yung area dito. Look at nila, yung mga cottages na dito guys. It really resembles the Mangsali. Tsaka para din siyang Maldives type of cottage kasi overwater siya. Yung way coming here sa Sangay Siapo guys, para siyang parang yung sa Unok Island sa Balaba. Color blue-green water siya. On the way here, kaso nga lang when you arrive here sa Sangay Siapo is hindi na ganun kaganda yung dagat. Ang daming lumot guys actually. I just wanna thank you Lord. There are a lot of construction going on in the resort guys. And parang nire-repair nila yung bridge. So it's not that quite good to see it above. So yun lang yung activity guys dito sa Sangay Shop. We will be heading back now to the town of Bungaw. It's day 3 already of our Tawi-Tawi trip. And this will be also our last day here guys in Tawi-Tawi. So our itinerary for today is we'll be having a short city tour. And at the same time is buying pasalubong. Ito yung mukha na bago naka-climb. Kanina pala is maaga, may group, some of our mga kasamahan is nagpunta sa Budbonggao. So hindi na kami sumama. We just stayed at the hotel, and right now is we'll be going to the town of Sangga or Bungaw. Yeah, for a quick city tour and shopping also. First stop guys is the Lakit Lakit here in Bolobok. 10 minutes lang siya away from our accommodation. So parang may rock formation daw dito. Let's check. Yeah, okay. Ito yung trail guys. Punta sa Latik-Latik. Lakit-Lakit. Latik-Latik naman noon. Lakit-Lakit. Ayun na yung bato. Di ba may ganito din sa Batanes na spot?
May butas?
Oo. Dun ba yun?
Ay, oh yes, sa
Oo.
Samtang. Maliit lang.
Maliit. Ito mas malaki to. Parang may lagus. Ito po yung lagusan sa Encantadia guys. Diyan yung butas guys, banda. Dito lang sa my left side is meron pa ng way doon para sa another cave. So let's go. Gosh, we're in the middle of somewhere else that, my gosh, it's forestry. This is the cave. Latik-Latik cave. So, ganun lang yung trail dito sa cave, guys. Dito kami.
Chinese po yung tao.
Dari na lugar.
Guys, nasa town proper kami ng Bungaw. Ito yung pinatradtional nila na transportation. From island to island. Ayan, oh. Tawi-Tawi will not be Tawi-Tawi without this. Ito yung parang public market ng Bungaw area. Look at the lanzones guys. 25 pesos na each. Dito kami sa Yuzel souvenir shops. And pili kami ng mga souvenir dito guys. Okay. Mate, mga malong sa babaw, te. Ito yung mga bentahan nila dito, guys. Oh. Hala, ito yung mga ethnic tribe na ng mga accent. And guys, so after natin nag-souvenir shop kanina is bumalik tayo dito sa accommodation natin para mag-fix. And we will be going to the airport kasi may flight pa kami at 4 p.m. bound to Busuanga. So babalik na kami, Busuanga, bound to Zamboanga. So babalik na kami ng Zamboanga para mag-ferry ride din naman po kami papunta ng Sulu. So this will be my second time here. Second time in Sulu. Guys, ito yung bahay ng aming accommodation. It is named Raja Andala. Yan, mayroong bahay din doon. So sa isang room dyan guys, 14 kami. Doon is parang 12. Malapit lang sa airport ang accommodation guys. I think mga nasa 5 minutes lang siya. Yan yung bahay guys ng aming tinutuluyan. Doon is papunta ng north. Dito naman yung papunta ng airport. Guys, sa airport na kami. Sa labas ng airport may pasalubong area dyan. Tapos dito lang yung airport guys. Yan, napakaliit ng airport. Napakapayak. But there are still construction going on sa may pang-improve na po yung ating Sanga-Sanga Airport. Guys, ito lang yung airport nila. Napakaliit. Tapos, when you enter the vicinity of the boarding gate, counter na agad. Check-in counter na agad dyan, guys. Check-in counter na agad. So, in totality, our trip in Tawi-Tawi ends today. And that is, we spent here for 3 days and 2 nights lang siya. So, for 3 days and 2 nights, we had already visited some of the spots here sa city nila. Then, at the same time, is nag-island hopping kami ng isang buong araw sa 3 islands na sikat dito sa Tawi-Tawi. Yung Panampangan, Sangay Shuko, tsaka yung sinunan na community. So, overall, kasama na yung aming sa aming tour package na nakuha namin sa Zane Travel and Tourism, yung entirety ng aming napuntahan sa Tawi-Tawi. And may connecting pa kami sa Sulu later. So, after this, when we arrive in Zamboanga, is sasakyan naman ulit kami ng ferry. Papunta na naman siya ng Sulu. And we will be spending a night in Sulu, guys. Kasi yun ang sabi ko noon, babalik ako ng Sulu, mag-stay na ako ng isang gabi. So, ngayon is mamaterialize na din siya. Yan, so after this is, we will be landing in Zamboanga. After Zamboanga is pipick upin tayo ng ating travel and agency para papunta na naman ng ferry papunta ng Sulu. So that wraps up with our Tawi-Tawi trip. So if you do like the video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in our Sulu trip. No, that will be my second time in Sulu. Bye-bye!